Okay, with all layers, I can also add filters to those layers. Okay, so this just one word of caution with filters is just be wary that sometimes when you go overkill on filters, they start to look a little bit rough, but they can do some really artistic things to your layers. So first, you want to select the layer that you're working on, and in this case, I'm actually going to control click it to select the layer transparency. So I'm just got the marching ants all the way around that layer. Okay. And now when I go to filter, you'll notice I have a lot of different options down over here. If I just choose one, for instance, colored pencil, okay, what I get is a dialog box, okay, that shows me a preview. Notice the hand that shows up so I can move around within the image to see what it's going to look like with that filter put on it, okay. I can generally, for all the filters, change how much of the filters being applied. Okay, so a lot of times just by playing with the preferences, you can get some really different distinct looks. Now all of these are different filters that I can choose, like for instance neon glow. Okay, you can see I can change the glow color, or smudge stick. Okay, again, changes it. Notice how each one gives me a different menu. I could even go to this drop down here and check out these different pieces, like for instance torn edges, okay, and it'll show me all these different types of torn edges. Now that looks pretty cool. Once I like a filter, okay, I can go ahead and click OK, and it applies it to that change. Pretty cool. If I ever want to go back and edit that filter again, I can just go back and go to the filters palette one more time with it selected and go back and change whatever it is I like. Let me show you also that when I'm in a filter, this is kind of neat, accented edges, I can also navigate within these different filters this way as well by dropping down these pieces. You won't get quite as many options as you do from the from the top menu up over here, but it will show you quite a few as well that you can play around with. Okay? So again, just go ahead and click OK once you've chosen something, and then it sticks. Now remember, our history tool over here will also help you go back. If you didn't like something, right, you could always go back to the beginning. But once you've gone back and you stay there, then that's it. You can commit to that layer. So those are a little bit about filters.